Hello everyone, and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the calculator app if it is not working on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering issues with the calculator app on your Windows 11 system, do not worry. We can address this by accessing the app settings. First, search for calculator in the Windows search bar. Once it appears, click on the downward pointing arrow located in the right pane of the search result. This action will open the app settings for calculator. Within the app settings, scroll down until you find the option to terminate the process. Click on this to stop the calculator from running. Following this, you will see two important options: repair and reset. Begin by clicking on repair, and wait until the process is complete, indicated by a tick mark appearing next to it. If repairing the app does not resolve the issue, you can then proceed to reset the calculator. Click on Reset, and again wait patiently until the reset process is finished, which will also be confirmed with a tick mark. After these steps, when you launch the calculator again, it should function correctly. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.